Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you wanna know how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, let's do this. So here I'm taking the vitamin C serum and lathering all over my face. I use this every day. It's really good for your dark spots and any discoloration on your face. Then I'm taking my No.7 eye cream and lathering all around my eyes, just like that, as you can see. And yes, just massaging and just. Then here I'm taking my Cetaphil Moisturizer. It's SPF 30, which is good for winter and the summer. So yeah, I use this moisturizer whole year long. So yes, it's my favorite. And it's mattifying, so it's not gonna look oily either. Then my chapstick, it's important. Then here I'm taking my Porefessional primer. It's my go-to primer. It mattifies your face. And yes, then here I'm taking my LA Pro Conceal in the shade Peach to correct all my dark circles. As you can see that it's intense, honey, just saying. And then around my nose, around my lips, and then I have some dark spots on my face, so I'm gonna correct that too. And yeah, it's really good to correct any dark spots. If you have dark skin, then you can use orange corrector. Then I'm taking my beauty blender and just gonna sponge that all over my face. I did wet my sponge because it's really good if you use it wet. And yes, just blending everything away with my sponge. And then I'm using my Fit Me translucent powder from Maybelline and lathering all over my face just to set everything. And then taking my Tarte Shaptape concealer just to conceal under my eyes and around my face and all over my face, as you can see in the video, just like that. Now I'm taking my sponge again and blending that away, because blending is the key and you don't want to look streaky. Does that make sense? I don't know, but you don't want any streaks on your face when you're blending everything. So just blend away, just tap 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 and tap tap tap. That's the key. And here I need more coverage, honey, so I'm taking that Tarte Shaptape again and blending that away super lightly, just like that, dabbing away your face with the sponge. And that's the key basically. And yes, as you can see, now I'm gonna take my Real Technique brush. Oops, there's something on my brush, maybe it's something, I don't know. Then just using my translucent powder one more time, which is from Maybelline, and lathering all over my face just like that. And that's my fluffy powder brush from the ELF. Now taking the sponge again and just taking away all the powderiness with that, so it doesn't look weird or powdery, because we just applied translucent powder and it looks powdery. So yeah, so that's the key. Now using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and putting that on my eyelid, as you can see, it's kind of basic, with my fingers. Then taking my Physician Formula bronzer in the shade Bronzer, great will be. Now just bronzing away my crease just to make everything look even. So just blending it with the Real Technique brush one more time. Although I'm gonna use a lot of Real Technique brush in this video, so yes. Then taking that BH Cosmetics Midnight City palette, using that orange shade. They didn't say the name on it, so I'm just gonna call it orange shade, because it's more like a fall kind of shade, you know what I mean? So it's an orange shade, I don't know, whatever. So it's orange shade, and just taking that into my crease and working it. I want to give that like a little bit like a cat eye kind of look, but not like harshly cat eye. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see in the video that I'm just taking that precision brush and then blending it in the crease because I need more depth. So I'm just blending that in the crease and giving this shape. So yeah. Now I'm taking that luminous shade from the palette Aurora Lights. It's from Cosmetics, and just using that shade all over my eyelid, not on the crease though. So just on my eyelid and just blending everything one more time, just like that, and making sure everything is proper. Then I'm taking my Olive Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow just to highlight the inner corner because we're going to put the light color on it, so it will pop up more. If you put like light color on the top of this, like a glittery color, it's not gonna pop up that much as if you put any concealer, like light concealer on your eyelid and then put the light eyeshadow on it. So that's why I'm taking the yellow concealer and just putting that in the inner corner of my eyelid. Then I'm taking that eyeshadow, which is from Aurora Lights BH Cosmetic palette, and the name of the eyeshadow is Kaleidoscope. I don't know how to pronounce this properly, but hey, it got some weird names, but yeah, that's what I meant. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it right, but yeah, that's what I did. I took that shade and then you can see that shade is popping, honey, in the corner. Then I'm taking the same shade we used on the eyelid. I'm taking that color and then just popping under my lower eyelid, just lining that with the eyeshadow just to make a little bit my eyes look bigger. Then I'm curling my eyelashes with the eye curler. Honey, this stuff is awesome, just saying. So yeah, then here I'm taking my Tartiest double take eyeliner in the shade black and just trying to line my upper lid just like that. It looks really harsh, but it's not. And then I'm taking my highlighter from the Balm, and it's a Maryloumanizer. This stuff is awesome. So yeah, and here we go. That's Cabral from Benefit in the shade 4. This stuff is great, honey, just saying. If you haven't tried this one, please try it. It's really good. So yeah, just like that, filling all my eyebrows and just really slowly and precisely because you don't want to overdo it. Then I'm taking my same liner. It's a dual ended, so you can use the liner on the other side, which is felt tip liner, and just lining my eyelids with that. It was super hard though with the one hand, and you're holding a mirror on the other hand. Honey, it's a task, just saying. But I did it. So yeah, I think I did pretty good. I think I'll be okay next time if I'll be lining my eyelids again. Then I'm taking Bahama Mama bronzer and just bronzing my face just like that. And I'm just saying, I'm talking in the video because I was recording and it wasn't working out. There was like a lot of background noise going on, so yeah, so I have to do voiceover anyways. So I'm just taking the bronzer and gonna lather that on my face. So on my high points of my cheeks, just like contour underneath my jawline and on my forehead, and now my nose, because we need to contour that. Okay, we need that snatched nose. So I am gonna contour that with the same brush I used before. Hey, you can use the same brush, okay? So yeah. Then I'm taking my highlighter. It's the same highlighter I used for the brow bone, and just highlighting myself. Great. On the high points of my cheeks, on the nose, on the chin, and on my forehead. Then I'm taking my Lancome blusher. This blusher, as you can see, I have used a lot, but it's a really good blusher. Not so many people using this blusher from Lancome, but this shade is awesome. It's a warm tone color, so it matches almost all the skin tone, but it's great. Okay, just saying. So yeah, then I am lining my lips with the Milani liner in the shade Spice. This shade is awesome. It's nice, like spicy color, like more like fall shade, and it's pretty. That's all I want to say. Then I'm using my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Spice for me. This shade name explains everything, cause it's a really nice color. It's like a brick. It's like I don't know how to explain, but it's like a brownish orange color, which is awesome. I don't have anything like this in my collection, that's why I got it basically. But yeah, it's a really nice fall color. That's all I can say. Then I'm taking my all-nighter setting spray and just setting my face with that and just fanning out. You know how it goes. And yeah, so after I set my face, I use mascara, because usually when you do mascara inside your face, it's gonna mess up your mascara and it will go everywhere. So yeah, just taking that mascara, and by the way, I'm using Clinique High Impact Mascara, and this stuff is awesome. But yeah, because I'm using this mascara from longest time and I loved it. This is my third tube, I guess. Yeah, because I have like this mini one, so yeah. But that's it for today, and there we go. If you like this look, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and let me know in the comment below that what kind of makeup you do in Thanksgiving or any festival. I would love to know. So yeah, please comment below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.